Welcome to McWilliams Heritage Folk School. Today we're going to be talking about unboxing those eggs that you ordered via mail for hatching. So last Tuesday night, after your husband went to bed, you found yourself on eBay, dangerously thinking about increasing numbers in your flock. And you happened upon some lovely cochin eggs from some beautiful birds, and you accidentally clicked the purchase button. I only know this because I've been there. Those eggs have arrived. Let's talk about what you're going to do with them next. Obviously, you're going to be putting them in an incubator, but there's a few things that happen before they get to the incubator. My foster cat has some things he'd like to say about that. Buying eggs is a much more economical way to add numbers to your flock, add different bloodlines to your flock, than actually ordering chicks from one of the hatcheries. But you've already ordered your eggs, so that ship has sailed. And not only did you order one carton, but you accidentally got two. The foster cats really would like to be involved in this. So let's take a look at how these shippers pack these boxes. Typically they'll be marked on the outside with either fragile, or sometimes they'll write live on the side, something like that. Lots of them use bubble wrap, and you'll also see a lot of shredded paper. So undo your bubble wrap. Aha! So this seller is the egg carton type of a guy. It's handy to have a pair of scissors nearby so that you can cut through some of this bubble wrap. So what this seller has done is taken each egg, wrapped it individually in bubble wrap, and then set it into an egg carton. Hey,
I want to help.
you may help.
I'll get that.
So what we're going to do is carefully cut this tape off.
Okay.
These are still eggs at the end of the day, so they are fairly fragile. But you're going to slowly peel that one out, Wilder.
Okay.
And you can see this seller has labeled his eggs with pencil. And that's nice. Pencil is much better for these eggs. They say that it's not good to use a permanent marker or something that could actually bleed through that shell. Oops. When I remove the eggs, I'm going to take them and put them back in that side-lying position. You want to let your eggs settle for 24 hours after taking them out of the box.
We have a whole nother box. That's probably bigger enough.
You want to make sure that you give your box and your bubble wrap to your foster cat so they have something to play with. So those are all of the eggs out of one box. Time to open that second box. All kinds of warnings. No x-rays, extra stickers on top. Ooh, he even has a fancy sticker. All right, so this seller used a different approach. In here, we've got the shredded paper jamboree. Ooh, this must be a cost savings idea to use the priority mail stickers as your tape. You see something? Yeah. There's going to be a lot of things in here. It's just going to be tricky to know if we got them all.
There's the egg.
We're going to get an extra bowl to put all of our fluff in.
Mom.
Ooh. All right, we are down to mostly just eggs now and a little bit of confetti. So similar approach, except we had confetti, and instead of an egg carton, these are just set in between all the shredded paper. But again, we're using the bubble wrap technique here. So we'll carefully unwrap each egg. Another common practice is for a seller to send you one extra egg. I paid for 12. I've got 13 here.
It's gonna go by his friend over here. Mom's doing pretty good, Mom.
You can see that some of the eggs that we're unpacking from this second shipper are actually pretty dirty. This level of dirt is okay. You don't want them much dirtier than this. The important thing is that you don't wash them, even though you might be tempted to take a damp rag to it. That's not good. It's going to wash away part of the biofilm that actually protects this egg and keeps it safe. So we want to leave that alone, ignore it, resist the urge to wash it, and put it in the incubator with the rest of them. So we've got our eggs unloaded and resting. They're starting their 24-hour rest period. The important takeaways here are going to be unpack them carefully, do not wash them, put them in a side-lying position, and wait 24 hours to allow them to settle before you place them in your incubator. Once you've waited your 24-hour rest period, please come back and join us where we talk about putting these eggs into the incubator and the important things that you need to know. If you enjoyed this video, please come back and join us at the McWilliams Heritage Folk School where we talk about unpacking eggs all the time.